In the state of Florida, you do have the option to do your own divorce, which means you will be obligated to prepare all of the paperwork, the same as if you were a lawyer. The courts are going to hold you to the same standards. There are some concerns that you need to have when you're doing this without the experience of a lawyer, is that there are some hidden issues that you might not address because you don't know that you need to in anticipation of an issue down the road. So there are some inherent risks in that regard. It's a lot of paperwork. It's taxing on you. And it's really emotionally draining. It's very hard for you to be objective in such an emotional situation. If you're going to do your own divorce, you need to know that the small little details that don't jump out at you are very, very important. There are things that you might not globally anticipate. There are things that need to be resolved that you may not realize until it's too late and you're past the process. You're divorced and the situations arise, and the two of you don't know how to address them. So the little details are important and you need to pay attention to them. Some of the details that a lawyer can help you with, as opposed to your navigating through the process yourself, are issues of concern that you might not recognize, that are not glaring to you. Give you some examples as it relates to children. There are going to be issues as to whether or not, when the children are with the other parent, they can leave the country. And if so, what are the protections that need to be in place to ensure that you are emotionally prepared for the process, the children are prepared, and that you feel safe in that child being removed from the country? This is one of the small details that people overlook, and this can become a very big issue at the end of your case. Obtaining passports, small detail. You'd be surprised how many times at the conclusion of a case there is a war over whether or not the children will receive passports. It's a small detail, but we address it in the lawyer-prepared agreements in anticipation of an issue down the line. In the long run, having good, competent representation may in fact save you money down the road. Oftentimes people come to my office, they've executed an agreement, they realize it was a mistake. They come to me, they ask me in desperation, can we modify it? Can we undo it? Can we do anything to change what I agreed to and I now know was a mistake? So in the end, you're going to be tasked with the expense of bringing a competent lawyer on board to try to fix some of the mistakes you may have made during the process. If you have any questions about doing your own divorce, give us a call at Monarch Family Law and schedule your free consultation.